Hello, my name is Mohammed and today I'm going to discuss about a topic. It's called time, distance and speed. So it's very simple and easy topics and it comes regularly in the exam as well. So the weightage for the exam sometimes is 5 marks and sometimes is 2 or 3 marks. So you need to understand about the time, distance and speed. So take a magic triangle which is comprised on D for distance, okay, speed times time. So S for speed and T for time. So if we want to work out the speed of any car, speed of aircraft, speed of any items. So these are the elements which is D, T and S. So how you work out about the speed of aircraft or speed of a car? So very simple, okay? So as per this magic triangle, you can see what? So the speed which is first speed which is D divided by T and D is equal to S times T and T equal to D divided by S. So speed always measure in kilometer per hour, miles per hour, meter per hour, so these are the unit for speed, and the distance can be measured in meter, kilometer, miles, centimeter, millimeter. So we can measure distance in these units, you must remember. And T for time. The times can be measured in hour, minutes, second, day, month and year and also other. So this is the way we work out the distance, speed and times. So as per the formula, we know that what? There are 3 variables, D, S and T. If we know the 2 variables, so we can work out third variable easily. So if you know the 2 numbers, so you can easily work out the third one. So for example, if I say that what? The speed of a car is 140 kilometer per hour. So the speed is 140 kilometer and the time it takes 2 hours. How many hours? 2 hours. So find the value of D. Very simple. Just go here and see the D. So the D equal to what? Okay. S time T. So the distance, speed is 140 kilometer per hour and it takes 2 hours. So it means the total distance will be 28,280 kilometer. So you must write the unit in the very end. So it means if you know the speed and the time, so you can work out the distance. In the same way, if I tell you about what? If the speed is 70. So the speed is 70 and the distance is cover 210. So if I need to know how long it takes, so what you do, okay? So we need to find out the time. So how? So we know that as per medic triangle, if we need to find T, so it means D divided by S. So it means the D is 210 and the speed is 70. So 70 is 7 and 7 times 3 is 21. So it means it takes 3 hours. So it means if you know the distance and the speed of a car, so you can work out easily the time taken, how long it takes to be there. So the total distance 210 kilometer and the speed is 70 kilometer per hour. So we just simply divide it by and to get the answer, which is 3 hours. So we done this one as well. So we need to find the speed. Very simple, okay? So if I say that D is what? The D is 500, okay? So the distance is 500 and the time taken is 25 hours, okay? Time is taking 25 hours, okay? So what is the speed? So what you do, okay? So simply D divided by T, which is equal to S. So the D is giving 500 kilometer and the time taken 25, for example. So it means the speed is 25 to, which is 20 kilometer per hour. So I just summarize time, distance, and speed. If we know two variable, any of them, either d, s, or dt, or st, so you can easily work out the third variable. And it can be represented by, okay, in a unit, like for example, speed measured in kilometer per hour or miles per hour. And also the distance can be measured kilometers, meter, centimeter, millimeter, and also the time is like hours, minutes, second, day, year, and also in a different options. So this is time, distance, and speed. And now I'm going to work out one of the exam question. So it says that there is a flight from London to JFK. So LHR to JFK. The flight from London to New York. The plane flew 5,600 kilometers. In 7 hours with a tailwind. But return in 8 hours due to headwinds. And the examiner asking about what? Find the speed of a plane in stellar and the speed of wind So we need to find out two things. What? We need to find out speed of a plane in still air and the speed of wind. So as we know that there is a speed of a plane, if I say, which we don't know, we need to work out, okay, which is x, and the speed of a wind, so speed of a wind, which is y. As my last video, we know that what? If the examiner asking about two variables, two unknown, okay? So, how we can work out? It can be worked with simultaneous equation. So we need to make an equation because so we need to find out the speed of plane in still air and the speed of a wind. So there is a x and there is a y. So examiner asking about the plane, how many kilometers, okay? So the distance cover, the total distance, they're giving you, the distance they're giving you, what? 5600 kilometer. And they're giving you time as well, okay? T. Okay? 7 hour. And also they say that, very important this word, with a tailwind, okay? So, it means with a tailwind, it takes 7 hours from LHR to JFK. With a tailwind, it takes 7 hours. So, with tailwind, 7 hours. But on the way back, return in 8 hours. So, it took same distance, D equal to same 5600. But the time took 8 hours. Why? Because of head wind. So, another way is, so with wind, okay, the speed is more faster. So, arrive in 7 hours. But when the plane is going opposite direction of wind, it took 8 hours to be there. So, we need to work out first speed of a plane, okay? So, if I say that speed of a plane with wind, it means I can do x plus y and speed without wind, so I can write down x minus y, because from LHR to JFK is coming with a tailwind, so it means the speed of the plane and the speed of a wind together, x plus y. And just for without wind, so what I will do, I just subtract y, which is wind. So this is called S, speed. Now as per the formula for, we know that what? We know that the distance equal to speed time. So the distance is 5600 and the speed with wind, I can write down x plus y, and t the time is taking 7 hours. This is the equation number 1. And the second equation is what? Same. Distance is 5600. And speed without wind, so x minus y times 8. Because on the way back it's taking 8 hours instead of 7 hours because of wind. So now we can simplify this equation. So this is the equation number 1 and this is the equation number 2. We need to solve this equation by simultaneous equation. This is very easy. So how we can work out? So as you know that 5600 equal to x plus y 7 and 5600 equal to x minus y times 8. I can divide by 8 here, so I can divide by 8 here as well. If I divide by 7 here, so I can divide by 7 as well, yeah? So this 8 is cancelled, this 8, this 7 cancelled, this 7. And 8 times 7 is 700. And 7 times 1 is 7, and 7 times 8 is 56, is 800. So the final equation is what? 800 equal to x plus y and 700 equal to x minus y. So this is the equation number, I say 3 or 4. And you can simplify this equation very easily. You just add these two equations. So look at this. Plus y minus y is cancelled. So x plus x is 2x, which is equal to 1500. So it means x equal to 1500 divided by 2, which is 750. So the speed of a plane in still air is 750 kilometer per hour. So x is, we found the x is 750 kilometer per hour. This is the speed of a plane in still air. And now we need to work out the value of y. The value of the speed of wind is y. Why? Simple. We need to substitute the value of this x any equation. If I say that, what? If I put in an equation number 3, so 800 equal to x plus y. So very simple. What we do? Okay, so we need to do 800 equal to x plus y. So the value of x we just found 800, 750 plus y. So it means if I cancel 750 from this side, so I need to subtract 750 from the other side as well. So 800 take away 750, which is equal to y. So y equal to 50. So the speed of wind, which is 50 kilometer per hour. That's why the plane written in 8 hours. Plane written in 8 hours. Why? Because of wind. So this problem can be solved by simultaneous equation. So very simple and very easy. Okay, first you read the question. Okay, and after reading the question, okay, they're asking about two different values. Okay, so which we don't know. So how we work out? First of all, okay, we know that the speed of a plane, assume, is a x, and the speed of a wind is y. If the plane is coming with a wind, okay, so I add, that's why I add, okay, because the speed is, I said x, and the wind is y. It's coming with a tailwind, okay, so the wind is pushing to the plane, so I put x plus y. That's why the plane reached in 7 hours. But when the plane coming back to LHR, the air pressure is opposite. So this is the headwind. And the headwind means the speed, which is x, subtract with the wind. So x plus y, which is our speed. And x minus y for the speed of wind. And as per the equation, we know that the distance equal to speed time time. So we just simply enter the values. We know that 5,600, 5,600, and the speed of wind with wind is x plus y, and without wind x minus y, and t is the time. It took 7 hours and it took 8 hours. And then I simplify this to equation, okay, and to get these two final equation, which is the equation number, as I said, there is a 3 and there is a 4 equation number. And I just add these two equations to cancel the plus y and minus y to get the 2x equal to 1500. So it means the value of x is 750 kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. This is the speed of a plane in still air. And this 750 kilometer per hour, we substitute the value of this x, any of the equation. I put the equation number 3, you can put the equation number 4 to get the same answer. For example, if I'm putting the 750 in the equation number 4, which is this. So if the value is 750, okay, I put here, and this is 700. So if I move this 700 there and y to move here, so 750 take away 700, so the speed of a wind is 50 kilometer per hour. So this is the time, distance and speed. So before I go, so if you like this video, please leave your comments, and also if you need to ask any practice questions, please leave your email address in the comment section, so we will reply your email. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.